Welcome to Include Electronics. In this video, we are going to learn about what is Arduino and how to use it to develop interesting electronics projects. Using Arduino, we can read inputs from sensor, buttons and turn it into an output like switching on an LED, activating a motor, etc. We will also see how to blink LED every 1 second as an example. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe button below and press bell icon to get latest updates. Arduino is an open source platform to create electronics projects. It provides hardware part, that is microcontroller boards, and also IDE, that is integrated development environment, for coding and to upload programs into Arduino boards using USB port. There are several types of Arduino boards, for example Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Micro, Mega, Leonardo and many more. However, we will take a look into most widely and easy to use board, which is Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno board has many features like Atmega 328 processor which runs at 16 MHz speed. It has 14 digital I/O pins, 6 analog pins and power pins. It has USB jack to connect to computer or laptop to upload programs. Also, it provides serial interfaces like SPI, UART and I2C. Now let's take a look at digital pins. D0 to D13 are well-known digital pins on this board. D0 and D1 are used as RX and TX for UART. We can use D2 to D13 as basic input-output pins for digital read and write. The values used for digital input-output are 0 or 1, where low means 0 and high means 5 volt. We will use digital write function to write output and digital read function to read input from these pins. As far as analog pins are concerned, we will use A0 to A5 pins for reading analog values. We will use analog read function to read values. Analog values will vary from 0 to 1023. We can use these pins to read input from different types of sensors and potentiometer. Let's see how to power Arduino board. We can use VIN pin to provide 7 to 12 volt DC power to Arduino. Through 5 volt pin, we can only provide 5 volt DC regulated power as input, or it can output 5 volt from this pin to provide to other components in case Arduino is powered through other sources. GND is common ground pin. We can also provide 7 to 12 volt DC through DC power jack as input. USB can also provide 5 volt DC when connected to computer. Please make sure that you don't input power through 5 volt and VIN or DC power jack simultaneously. If we need to output variable average voltage ranging from 0 to 5 volt, then we can use PWM, that is pulse width modulation. We can use PWM pins as D3, D5, D6, D9, D10 and D11. We need to use analog write function to output PWM signal. The value can range from 0 to 255, where 0 results in 0% duty cycle and 255 results in 100% duty cycle. We can use PWM signal to drive DC motors at different speed. Now let's take a look at simple demonstration where we will blink LED every 1 second. We will need following components: Arduino Uno, LED, resistors, 7 to 12 volt DC battery, breadboard and few jumper wires. Let's make a connection as per circuit diagram. Connect LED and resistor on breadboard. Connect LED to pin D2 of Arduino Uno. Power Arduino using 7 to 12 volt DC battery. Let's take a look at how we can write a code. First, we need to install Arduino IDE. Go to Arduino website and click on software. Now download the Arduino IDE for your OS and install it. Once installed, open IDE and then click on File and then New to create a program. Arduino programs are written in C++ language. We need to define two functions, setup and loop. Setup function is executed only once when program starts running, so we can write code which has to be executed during startup. We will set up the pin D2 as output. The main logic will go inside the loop function as it is called frequently. We will write high value to D2 pin and wait for 1 second. Then set the pin value as low to switch off the LED and again wait for 1 second. This will be repeated continuously. Now let's upload the code. Connect Arduino using USB cable to laptop. Go to boards and select Arduino Uno. Go to ports and select Arduino port. Click on upload. That's it. Let's take a look at how it works. Arduino IDE also provides a tool called Serial Monitor to debug and print the output on screen while program is running on Arduino. For that we need to begin the serial communication as serial.begin and baud rate as 9600. Let's write a string on Serial Monitor screen in a loop function. Upload the code and open Serial Monitor and see that values are printed. There are many startup kits available online to learn Arduino. I have provided few links in description. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Stay safe and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.